Hey everyone, Samsung is gearing up to release its next series of mid-range and entry-level smartphones, including the highly anticipated Galaxy A26. Recent leaks have given us an early look at what to expect from this device, revealing some key details through a Geekbench listing. The A26 appears set to be an intriguing addition to Samsung's lineup. Following the release of the Galaxy A16 and recent renders of the Galaxy A36 5G, under the hood, the listing shows the phone is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1280 chipset, a familiar name among Samsung's mid-range devices. However, there's an exciting twist. The processor may be getting a performance boost. Traditionally, the Exynos 1280's performance cores run at 2.4 GHz, but this listing suggests the Galaxy A26's cores could be overclocked to 2.6 GHz. This potential increase in clock speed could point to Samsung either pushing the chip harder or using more efficient fabrication technology. Either way, users might experience slightly improved performance over previous iterations of this processor, potentially making the A26 a more capable device for handling everyday tasks and light multitasking. Accompanying that Exynos 1280 is 6 gigs of RAM, which aligns with expectations for a mid-range smartphone in 2024. This amount of memory should provide decent multitasking capabilities and an overall smooth experience for the average user. In terms of design, nothing has been officially confirmed, but it's hoped that Samsung will learn from its upcoming A36 and improve the A26's aesthetics, particularly in regard to the display. The A25's U-shaped notch looks dated in comparison to modern smartphones, so an upgrade to a more contemporary Infinity-O display would be a welcome improvement. The camera setup on the Galaxy A26 remains speculative, but it's likely to borrow heavily from its predecessor, the Galaxy A25. If this is the case, we could expect a 50 megapixels primary sensor and an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, features that are adequate for most casual photographers, but may not impress users looking for more advanced photography capabilities. For those who prioritize battery life, the A26 may retain the solid 5,000 mAh battery found in the A25, offering plenty of endurance for a full day of use. Coupled with 25-watt fast charging, this battery capacity ensures the phone will remain competitive in its price range. One of the most significant upgrades for the A26 could be on the software front. The Geekbench listing indicates that the phone may come pre-installed with Android 15. Samsung's track record of providing solid software support could also come into play here. If the A26 follows the A16's lead, we might see the phone receive up to 6 major Android updates, significantly extending its longevity. Although the Galaxy A26 is still mostly under wraps, the early details suggest that it will be a solid addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup. With improved performance from the Exynos 1280, a decent 6 gigs of RAM, and the possibility of a refreshed display design, it has the potential to cater to users looking for a capable and affordable 5G smartphone. If Samsung can continue to fine-tune its camera capabilities and ensure timely software updates, the A26 could stand out as a strong competitor in the crowded mid-range market. As always, the official launch date and full specifications will give us a clearer picture, but the Galaxy A26 already looks promising based on these early insights. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.